Ka Menteri Platingka ke Sorkar Pedeng ka Nirmala Sitharaman hak arpo trik jelio. Kala plia ke surak juai nartiang kediap kanduli. JNKK ka jingjrong ka basan kendai poin kendai sepaksan pusan kilometer. Ya ka bala bay pisa dekat New Development Bank NDB. Hak ka jinglut ka bala antan san kendai poin sub upra kelur tingkah. Ya ka jingalang pli la pelong Hawaii Air Multi Sports Complex Stadium Wayajer West Giant Hills District ha ka jingdon lang u Chief Secretary ke Jela u Dr. Shakil P. Ahmed IAS u sembut Menteri Rangba ke Jela masnya bahalang dhar u Menteri ke koi ke kya ma wailat mkishla u Menteri ke tenat puli puthi u malak men rumbui u DVJ Kumar IAS Commissioner and Secretary Planning Finance, Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, ka MLA kong Santa Mary Shla, ki MDC ka GHADC na lor kiway. Ha ka jing pediang sengob haya ka Nirmala Sitharaman, syakathan umas ngaw bahalang dhar, ula penpawi ka jing sengungu halor ka jingwan jungok jongka, bat ya ru ya ka jing nok senyang jongka, kum ka Menteri Platingka jongka ri India, bat da ka bapenpau baka Jela Meghalaya kalayo jing mentoy shibun, hapo ka jing alam jongka, ulak daw ya ka jing te ya ka madan ya lekai Wayajer Multiple Sports Complex Stadium. Lingba ka jing bay pisa jong ka Sorkar Pedeng, kum ka nuksa bakongsan jong ka roy kapar jong ka Sorkar Pedeng.
On behalf of people of Guidance Madam, we express our gratitude to you. We saw your actions since you took as Finance Minister, Government of India. The amount of help, the support you have been support to my states is uncountable. Even this stadium is partly from Saski. And then last Meghalaya gave the host here, it really been a success. Under the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Modi, and also under the leadership of young Chief Minister Communication. Our state is moving ahead. And we have seen, Madam, for the last few years, especially under the NDA governments of India, the way how you show example to us as a state leaders, the way how you accept our proposal, the way how you teach us how to move forward, how to approach people, how to live with the people, Madam. I remember I taught this in different occasions. The first government of India is the only NDA government. We met the ministers from the state, we write a letter to the government of India. Within 1 week, we get reply from the respective minister. It really shows the respectable to the state leaders, Madam. And also maybe the only NDA government's union cabinet minister who really visit frequently to our state. And also the northern eastern state. Like this last few days when Gadkari come to witness some of the program in Shillong, it seemed that more than 700 ministers visited our state within this short span. It's really appreciated. And before, Madam, for the last 10-15 years, the world's government of India is very far from us. Government of India seems so far, but now government of India is coming to us. Let us give a big round of applause. So this shows that you are really just fought for the people. And the beauty is that you never come whether a big state or small state. You treat us equal, Madam. And I would like to express this. Union ministers keep coming every now and then. This is really make us happy, make us more responsible, give us more sincerity in the work that we have performed. And from my side, I would not want to speak much because we would like to give time to you because we are local leaders from here. So Madam will give time to you, and especially for me as the Deputy Chief Minister of the state, and especially from this region, we really feel proud. Your coming here is uncountable blessing for us. So thank you so much, Madam. We need so much development, but hopefully I would request, I know that you always remember Meghalaya, Madam. So thank you so much, Madam. Please go on.
Ka Menteri Platingka ke Sorkar Pedeng ka Nirmala Sitharaman, Kalaya keren ru bat kisam la puli jong kakyang nang ba Government College Juai. Ha kaba kala jubab iki jingkeli jongki. Bat pensluri ki bakin boot iki thong jongki. Da kajing IT lun bat kajing shania. Kalaya kenduk ru yaki kena elekai football grassroots jong ka YAJR Center.
Girls now. Kamu kata aku ni orang ini. Kau yang he. Kau yang he. Don't be this. And who do you want to be like? Not one man. You got one man.
All Neymar fans it seems today.
Yes, ma'am. Ông nói như thế. Memang. Lee. Giống thế. You're the coach. Are you sure? You're the coach. I'm scared of that. And you want to play football in your life. And who do you want to be like? She wants to be nurse. Nurse. Very low. Very low. What's your name? And what do you want? Doctor.
Pada saya, this is us of which mine is done, and I like to play football.
You love to play football. This is nice stadium. This is nice. You all come to play here? Yes. No, I feel so envious.
Ka Menteri Pelatingka Kesor Kar Pedeng ka Nirmala Sitharaman kalalit jungok ru ya ka Temple Sri Ma Jayanti bat hadian pat kalalit jungok iki mau bena sakna monoliths ki badan hakasnong nartiang hakabaladon ka jingpen ina mi ki maram tenrai ki bapen mi hi na po ka ni kathan da kabalit jungok ru iki dukan bat ki jing batai na ki nongshna bat ki nongram. Syuk-syuk ka menteri kalalit jungok ru saya ka Jakash na Kiyo Kendo ka badan hakasnong Larnai West Giant Hills District hakaba na kaliang ka menteri kalayo lat bantau Kiyo lang da ka jingarap ka nong tau Kiyo na katekasnong.